नमस्ते मित्रांनो, मी आहे गौरव पवार. एजीपी एज्युकेशन हब यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. आजचा आपला विषय आहे मॅथ स्टँडर्ड 7 चॅप्टर नंबर 3 SCF आणि LCM महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड. फुल लेक्चर घेणार आहोत आपण, सगळं लेसन कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याच्यात सगळं प्रत्येक प्रॅक्टिस सेट जवळजवळ त्याच्यात 10 पासून 14 म्हणजे 5 प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहेत. ते प्रॅक्टिस सेटचे प्रत्येकाचे लेक्चर आणि पूर्ण प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडून क्वेश्चन आणि आन्सर घेणार आहोत. तर स्टार्ट करूया आपण. स्टार्ट करण्या अगोदर जर तुम्ही ह्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर कृपया सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेलच्या आयकॉनला प्रेस करा. आणि जर व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक आणि शेअर जरूर करा तुमच्या मित्रांना, तुमच्या परिवारामध्ये, तुमच्या फ्रेंड्समध्ये. ठीक आहे, तर चालूया आपण SCF आणि LCM स्टँडर्ड 7 मॅथ चॅप्टर नंबर 3 SCF LCM. तर चॅप्टरकडे मेन लेक्चर कडे जाण्या अगोदर आपण काही घेऊया, रिकॉल करूया. प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे काय? प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट इज अ प्राईम नंबर? ज्या नंबरला तो एक किंवा तो स्वतःच डिवायडेड फॅक्टर असतो. असा फॅक्टर म्हणजे काय, जे डिवाइड करू शकतात. म्हणजे समजा उदाहरणार्थ 7 आहे, 7ला 30 संख्या म्हणजे 7नीच डिवाइड होतं, 7 1 7. परंतु किंवा 1नी म्हणजे दोनच फॅक्टर्स असतात. ज्या नंबर विच नंबर हॅव 2 फॅक्टर्स दॅट्स इज प्राईम नंबर. सो प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे काय? हॅव्हिंग ओनली 2 factors 1 and the number itself. एक्झाम्पल, 1 येत नाही. 1 जे आहे ना ते प्राईम नंबर येत नाही, कंपोजिट नंबर येत नाही. 1 हा असा आहे जो नायदर प्राईम नॉर कंपोजिट. ठीक आहे, हे कंपोजिट म्हणजे आपण लगेच पाहूया, लक्षात ठेवा नोट म्हणून. वन नंबर इज नायदर प्राईम नॉर कंपोजिट. प्राईम नंबरचे एक्झाम्पल काय आहे? 2 इज द ओनली वन इव्हन नंबर. 2 हा एकच इव्हन नंबर आहे जो प्राईम आहे. नाही अदर सगळे इव्हन नंबर. इव्हन म्हणजे काय? ज्याला 2नी भाग जातो त्यांना इव्हन नंबर म्हणतात. ऑड नंबर म्हणजे काय? ज्यांना 2नी भाग जात नाही त्यांना ऑड नंबर म्हणतात. लक्षात आलं? तर आपल्याला 2 हा कोणता एकच नंबर आहे जो इव्हन नंबर आहे, जो प्राईम नंबर आहे. लक्षात येतं? कारण 2चं फॅक्टर्स पाडले तर किती? 2नी भाग जातो किंवा 1नी भाग जातो. लक्षात येतं? आणि 2 हा सगळ्यात छोटा प्राईम नंबर आहे. ठीक आहे, 2 3 5 7 11 13 या प्रकारे हे प्राईम नंबर आहेत. ठीक आहे. कंपोजिट नंबर म्हणजे काय? कंपोजिट म्हणजे ज्याला 2 पेक्षा जादा फॅक्टर्स आहेत, ज्याला 2 पेक्षा जादा डायव्हर्जर्स आहेत. म्हणजे उदाहरणार्थ आपण घेतलं 4ला किती 4नी भाग जातो? 4 घेतला, 4नी जातो, 2नी जातो आणि 1नी जातो. म्हणजे 3 फॅक्टर्स आहेत 4चे. लक्षात येत आहे? या प्रकारे. पुढचं घेऊ आपण. दुसरा टॉपिक आहे याच्यानंतर कंपोजिट. को प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे काय? को प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे काय? थोडं फास्ट घेऊयात म्हणजे आपल्या टॉपिक कडे जाता येईल आपल्याला. को प्राईम नंबर म्हणजे को प्राईम्स म्हणजे काय? कोणत्याही 2 प्राईम नंबर आहेत, कोणतेही 2 प्राईम नंबर असन त्याच्यात कॉमन एक आणि एकच कॉमन असन तर त्याला को प्राईम नंबर म्हणायचं. उदाहरणार्थ 3 आणि 10 आहेत, याच्यात कॉमन 3चे फॅक्टर किती आहे? 3ला एक तर 3नी जातो किंवा 1नी. 3चा हे फॅक्टर्स आहे. 10ला 2नी जातो, 5नी जातं, बरोबर आहे, आणि 1नी जातं, बरोबर आहे. तर मग याच्यात कॉमन काय? फक्त 1. म्हणजे ज्या 2 प्राईम नंबर मधले ज्या 2 नंबर्समध्ये एक आणि एक हा कॉमन फॅक्टर असतो. 1 is a common factor between two prime number, then both are co-prime number. Both are, हे दोन्ही काय झाले? को प्राईम नंबर. 3 आणि 10 काय झाला? को प्राईम नंबर झाला. ठीक आहे. नंतर 2 आणि 9 को प्राईम नंबर झाला. ठीक आहे. त्याच प्रकारे लक्ष ठेवा 2 आणि 3 सुद्धा, सॉरी 2 आणि 5. ठीक आहे. नंतर 3 आणि 4, नंतर 3 आणि 4 झालं, 5 आणि 6, 3 आणि 4 पासून घेऊ, 2 आणि 5 होत नाही. 3 आणि 4, 5 आणि 6, नंतर होतो 2 आणि 3 3 होतो, 3 आणि 4 होतं, 5 आणि 6 होतं, 6 आणि 7 होतं, 7 आणि 8 होतं. लक्षात येते. कोणतेही कॉन्झिक्युटिव्हली कोणतेही नंबर असतील, ऑल नॅचरल नंबर्स कॉन्झिक्युटिव्हली काय असतात, प्राईम नंबर असतात. म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणायचं, एनी टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह नंबर, एनी टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह natural numbers are co-prime. ठीक आहे, co-primes. लक्षात ठेवा हे एक नोट, एनी टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह नॅचरल नंबर्स आर co-prime. ठीक आहे. याच्यातून आपल्याला हे co-prime समजलं. एनी टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह नंबर नॅचरल नंबर्स आर co-prime. co-prime म्हणजे काय, ज्याचा एक हा कॉमन फॅक्टर असतो. नंबर 1 हा कॉमन फॅक्टर असतो. ठीक आहे. अदर काहीच कॉमन नसतं ज्याचं, त्याला काय म्हणायचं, को-प्राईम नंबर. आता मेन टॉपिक कडे आपण जाऊया. तो म्हणजे ट्विन्स नंबर. ट्विन प्राइम नंबर. Twin prime number. What is a twin prime number? The pair of numbers which have difference between two prime number is 2. If difference between any two prime numbers, prime number आपण आत्ताच पाहिला, त्याच्यात 2 प्राइम नंबर मधला डिफरन्स जर 2 असेल तर त्यांना काय म्हणायचं, ट्विन प्राइम नंबर. 2 प्राइम नंबर मधला डिफरन्स किती असेल, डिफरन्स between any two prime number, two prime number is 2, then those numbers are twin primes. ओके, लक्षात राहील. उदाहरणार्थ 3 आणि 5, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, ओके. 9 and 11 होत नाही, 11 and 13. लक्षात येते. प्राइम नंबर, ॲक्युरेट प्राइम नंबर. लक्षात येते. को प्राइम नंबर मध्ये आपण 3 आणि 10 घेऊ शकतो, 10 घेऊ शकतो, 3 and 10 घेऊ शकतो. लक्षात येतं. 3 and 10 घेऊ शकतो को प्राइम नंबर मध्ये. 2 आणि 9 घेऊ शकतो, परंतु याच्यात फक्त प्राइम नंबर घ्यायचे असतात. बोथ आर ओनली प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके. सो 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13. 9 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. 9 हा प्राइम नंबर नाहीये, म्हणून आपण 9 घेऊ शकत नाही. म्हणून 11, 13 या प्रकारे, 17 आणि 19 या प्रकारे. 23 आणि 29 मध्ये डिफरन्स काय आहे, 2 चा नाहीये, 2 चा डिफरन्स नाही, त्यामुळे ते होत नाही. नंतर 29 आणि 31 या प्रकारे प्राइम नंबर, ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स आहेत. ठीक आहे. चला आपण जाऊयात प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 10 कडे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 10 मध्ये टोटल 6 क्वेश्चन्स आहेत, तर आपण एकामागून एक घेऊया. जर आतापर्यंत चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केला नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. जर व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक अँड शेअर करा. चला जाऊयात आपल्या प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, त्याच्यामध्ये दिलंय विच इज द नायदर प्राइम नंबर नॉर कंपोजिट नंबर. आपण लेक्चर मध्ये सांगितलंय की 1 हा नॉर प्राइम नंबर अँड नॉर not a composite number, because then one has only one factor, which is 1. Okay. For prime number there must be two factors, which is that number, and other is 1. Okay. So 1 is the answer for question number 1. Neither prime nor composite. Okay. Question number 2. Which the following pair of co-prime number? There are co-prime pair. Find co-prime pairs. Okay. Co-prime pairs. First is 8 and 14. This is not, because both have 8 and 14 नाही आहे, कारण की दोघांचे जे फॅक्टर्स आहेत ते 2 पेक्षा जास्त आहे. ठीक आहे. नंतर 2 नंबर आहे 4 and 5. 4 and 5 हे आहे, कारण की दोघांमध्ये एक आणि एक दोघांमध्ये एक आणि एकच प्राइम नंबर हा प्राइम आहे. ठीक आहे. हा होतं. नंतर 3 नंबर हे एक होईल, आणि 3 नंबर 17 आणि 19 हे बी होतं. दोघांमध्ये एक प्राइम एक आणि एक कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे, तो म्हणजे 1. आणि 4 नंबर 27 and 15. ह्यामध्ये हे दोन्ही होत नाही आणि हे 2 होतात, कारण की ह्यांचे दोघांचे 1 हा कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे. दोघांमध्ये 1 हा कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे, आणि 1 हा कॉमन फॅक्टर व्यतिरिक्त 2 दुसरे कॉमन फॅक्टर नाहीत. लक्षात येत आहे? ठीक आहे. आता जाऊया पुढच्या याच्याकडे आपण. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लिस्ट द प्राइम नंबर फ्रॉम 21. प्राइम नंबर अगेन प्राइम नंबर शोधून काढायचे आहेत आपल्याला. 25 to 100. ठीक आहे. 1 to 100 पर्यंत टोटल 25 प्राइम नंबर आहेत. लक्षात ठेवा. 1 to 100 पर्यंत किती आहे? 1 to 100 पर्यंत 25 प्राइम नंबर्स आहे. 1 to 50 पर्यंत 15 आहे, आणि 50 to 100 पर्यंत 10 आहेत. लक्षात आलं? आणि 25 to 100 पर्यंत 16 प्राइम नंबर आहे. किती? 16 प्राइम नंबर आहे. 25 to 100 पर्यंत 16 प्राइम नंबर आहे. तर आपण पाहत आहोत 25 to 100 पर्यंत. तर इथं आपण पाहूया 25 पासून काउंट करू. एक एक प्राइम नंबर पाहूया आपण. 25 29 आहे, 31 आहे. ठीक आहे. नंतर 33 येत नाही, 35 37 आहे, 41 आहे, 43 आहे. ठीक आहे. नंतर 47 आहे, 49 येत नाही, 41 येत नाही, 42 येत नाही, 43 51 येत नाही, 52 येत नाही, 53 एक येतं, 54 नाही येत, 55 येत नाही, 59 एक येतं, 61 एक येत आहे. लक्षात येत आहे? त्याच्यानंतर 63 येत नाही, 64 येत नाही, 66 येत नाही, 67 येतं, 68 69 येत नाही, 71 एक येतं, 73 एक येतं, 73 75 76 77 79 येतं, 81 येत नाही, 82 येत नाही, 83 येतं, 84 85 86 87 एक येतं. ठीक आहे. 87 येत नाही, 3 ने जातो, त्याला डिवाइड होतं. 87 येत नाही, 87 येत नाही. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 9 जा 27. 89 येतं. 89 येतं. आणि 91 to 100 पर्यंत 97 येतं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 all are 16th prime number. 16th prime number between 25 to 100. 25 to 100. Let's go on other topic. ठीक है. Let's go on other topic. Question number 4. Question number 4 is there. Question number 4 is there. Question number 4. Write all the twin prime number from 51 to question. Twin prime number. Numbers pair of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100, 51 to 100, 51 to 100. ठीक है. There are only two pairs have there from 50 to 100. They are 59 and 61, and other one is 71 and 73. Okay, these two pairs have in twin prime numbers pair have are between 51 to 100. Only two pairs are there. Okay, fifth number question. Write 5 pair of prime number from twin prime number. Again, twin prime number, primes number 1 to 50, 1 to 50, 1 to 50. Okay, first is 1 to 50. Twin prime number 1 to 53, 5, 5, 7. Okay, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 90, and 29, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pairs. Okay, got it? 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 29, 31. Okay. Question number last 6. Which are the even prime number? Which are the even prime number? Even prime number. There is only 2 is the one and only. 2 is the one and only. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. 2 is the one and only even prime number. 2 is one and only even prime number. Let's go to the lecture for practice set number 11. Welcome. For practice set number 11, the topic is factorizing a number into its prime number. Here the Euclid's rule is given, which is simple but very important. The rule says that any composite number can be written. Any composite number can be written as the product of prime number. Any composite number can be written as the product of prime number. Okay, composite number equal to product of prime number. Product of prime number. Okay, this is the Euclid's name. Euclid's okay, law, rule, all rule. Okay, now there are two methods for doing this. One is vertical arrangement and other is horizontal arrangement. Okay, let's take an example of 24. Vertical. In horizontal, we have learned in last standard 24 how to fractionize it. 24 is even number, so 2 into 12, factorize 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 6, factorize 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is 24's factorization. Okay, factorization. Then in vertical method, how to 24 is the 2 is, this is even number, so this is even number, so put divide with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6, 2 3. Okay, these are the factors. Factors are 24, which all these and this remainder 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 24's factors. Now, okay, now number a product of its prime factor. Number is a product of its prime factor. Means number is a product of any number. Number is a product of its prime factor. Okay, final. Let's go to the practice set 12. Sorry, practice set 11, then 12. Okay, there are one question and have 8 sub questions. Factorize the following numbers. Factorization. Question number factorization. Question number 1, 32. Let's do factorize 32. Even numbers, so start from 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 2 6 the 12. Okay, then 2 2 8 the, then 2 2 4 the, then 2 2 2 the. So answer is 1 2 3 4 4 4 30 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 time, and this one is also 5 time 2 5 time 2. Okay, then question number 2. Into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, question number 2, 57. 57 comes in the 19th table. So factorization with the vertical method, 19 into 3. So factors are 19 into 3. 19 is a prime number, so it cannot be divided by other numbers. So factors are 19 and 3. 19 and 3. 19 and 3. Okay. Then third number. Question number third, 23. This is also prime number. So answer is 33 into 1. So answer is this. These are factors. Okay. 23. It is prime number. So it can be divided by any other number. 23 is a prime number. Fourth number, 150. 150. Let's do with the vertical this method, horizontal method. 150 is a even number. So 2 into 75. Factorize 75. 2 into 75 factorize from 5 into 25. Okay, then 25 also divided by 5 into 5. Okay, this is factors of 1. Sorry, here 3 into 25, 3. Okay, then 5 into 5, 3 into 5 into 5. So factors are 2 3 5 5 through 2 3 5 5. Okay, 2 3 5 5. Let's go on the fifth number question. 2 3 5 5 here. Okay, fifth number question is 216. 216. Let's do with the vertical method. 216 is the even number, so start from 2. 2 1 the 2, 0, 2 8 the 16. Okay, then also this is even number, so divide by the 2, 2 5 the, and 2 4 the 18. This is even number 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 7 the. Now from 3, 3 9 the, also 3 3 3 3 the 9. Okay, the factors 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, these are the factors of 216. Now sixth number, 208. 208 is horizontal method. This is vertical method. Now we are going to solve this with horizontal method. Vertical, horizontal. 208 is a even number, so start with 2 into 104. Okay, factorize 104. 2. This is also even number, so 2 into 2, 5 and 2, 52. This is also even number, so factorize 52, 2 into 2 into 2 into 26. Okay, then 26 also a even number, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into 13. Now 13 is a prime number, so we have completed here. The 208's factors are these. Okay, factors are these. Now let's go to the question number 7. Question number 7 is 765. 765. So 765. Let's do with the vertical method. 765. Okay. This is now divided by 3. 3 to the 6. Remainder 1, 16. 3 5 is 16. Now remainder 1, 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay. This is also divided by 3. 3 8 is 14. Remainder is 1. So 3 5 is 15. Now it's not divided by 3. It cannot be divided by 3. It's but 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. 17 is the prime number. So answer of prime factor of 765 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Okay, 17. Now take 8 number question. 8 number is 342. 342. 342 is even number, so start with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now start with factorize this 171. 2 into 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. Now this is could be divided by 19. 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3, 19 is the prime number, so this cannot be divided by any other number. So answer is 342's factors are 2 3 3 1 9. 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Okay. Now take the 9th number question. 9th number 377. 377. These are divided by 13. Not any other. 13. Okay. 13 into 29 is the factors. Okay. 13 into 25. 3 2s are 26. Remainder is 11 and 3 9s are 117. Okay. Now last number question is 559. 559 is also divided by 13. 13 4s are 52. Now remainder is 13 39. 13 4s are 52 and 13 3s are 39. So factor of 559 is 13 into 43. Okay, this is the completion of practice set number 11. Now let's go for the lecture of practice set number 12. In practice set number 12, we are going to learn already in the last standard we have learned what is the SCF, highest common factor, SCF, highest common factor, and GCD, greatest common divisor. Take up one example, find out 25, 15 and 35. Okay, let's do 25, 15 and 35. Factorize it. 25, 5 into 5, 35, 5 into 3, 35, 5 into 7. So factor is, answer is 5, because all three numbers have 5 is a common factor. 5 is a common factor. So SCF is a 5. Okay, 5. SCF is 5. Okay, with vertical, this is the regular method. With vertical, take another example. 24 and 32. 24 is here and 32 is here. Okay, how 24 is a one number, so 2, 12, 6, 3. Okay, here 2, 16, 8, 4, 2. Okay, common between both number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So SCF of 24 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now get another example. And then we are going to practice set number 16, 12 and 36. Okay, let's do with this method 12, 36. Okay, all are even numbers, so can be divided by 2. 13, 36 and 18. Okay, all are even numbers, so 2, 15, 3 and 9. 3, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Now the answer is SCF or GCD of 16, 12 and 36 is 2 into 2 into 3. All this which is common in all four number. Common divisor of all given number. Common divisor of all given number means SCF and GCD is means common divisor of product of divisors. Common divisors. Product of common divisors. Product of common divisors of given numbers. 2 number, 3 number, any numbers. Here are 3 numbers. So SCF and GCD is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 4, 4, 12. Okay, 12 is the SCF. Okay, now there is another method that could be we must be learn. Do you understand it? The method, division method of finding SCF. Division method of finding SCF. Okay, there are two big numbers, 144, another is 251. Okay, with division method, right? Bigger is 251, so put here 144 is here. 144 2 za 288 is bigger than 251, so put 1 here. The quotient is here. Then 144 251 minus 110 5 minus 4 1 2 minus 1 1. Okay, take this divisor here to divide by the remainder. This is the process, this is the method, division method. Took this number here 144 here to divide by the remainder 1110. 1110 1 1110 1 so 110. Answer is 4 minus 0 4 4 minus 1 3 4. Okay, 3 4. So take 144. Now take 110. 110 to divide 110. 110 to divide. Sorry, here 144. I have written wrong. 144. 144. 141. I have written. 11 minus 7. 4. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 1 1. Here is 2 also. Here is 2, not 1. Okay. These are mistakes. 2 minus is 8. Now we are going to do 144. 144. Okay. Take again 1. 108 minus 6 3 0. Then take 108. Okay. 108. 3 za 36 3 za 108. Remainder is now 0. Answer is the SCF of 144 and 152 is 36. Okay, this is the method. What we have done in this method is, if there is always two numbers, put the bigger number in dividend, and divisor is the lower number, then divide the number, and whatever remainder is coming, divide. Remainder is now divisor, and divisor is now dividend. Okay, then divide the divisor with remainder. Always do this process until remainder is coming 0. When remainder is coming 0, that divisor is the SCF of that number, those number. Okay, let's do the exercise number 12. Welcome again. Division method of finding SCF. Okay, this is example of 144 and 152. 152. 144 is little, so take in divisor plus and 252 for dividend. Okay, 144 1 za 144. So answer is 8 0 1. Now this remainder is going to divide the divisor. This remainder is going to divide the divisor. So put the division sign here, and write the 144 here. Also this is going 1 za 108. Answer is 36. Okay, 36. Now this remainder is going to divide the divisor. Divisor is 108. Okay, 36 3 za 108. So remainder is now 0. So answer is SCF of 144 and 152 is 36. Okay. Now we are going to for practice set number, solving practice set number 12. Now we are going to solve practice set number 12. There are two main questions which have question 1 have 10 sub questions, and question 2 have 3 sub questions. Question 1, find the SCF. Question 1, find the SCF. Find SCF. Question number 1 is 25 40. 25 40. So 25 40. Both are even. Both are can be divided by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 8 is. Okay. The answer is 5. Answer is 5. SCF is 5. Okay. How? Because both have 5, 1 and 1 common factor. 5 and 8 not divided by any other number, cannot be divided by any other number though. So this is the answer 5. Okay. Second, 56 and 32. 56 and 32. 56 and 32. Okay, 32. Even numbers. So put the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Both are also even number. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are. Both are even. So 2 7s are 2 4s are. Now both numbers cannot be divided by any other number. So answer is SCF is 2 3 times 2. So answer is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Now third number. Third number is big. So I am giving it third number. 14, 16, 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60 and 75. 40, 60 and 75. Okay. All number can be divided by 5. 5 8s are 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Now this cannot these number cannot be divided by any other number. 8 12 and 15 cannot be divided by any other number. So SCF is 5. SCF is 5. Okay, take the fourth number. Fourth number is 105 and 158. 105 154. Sorry, 154. Let's do with the vertical. 15 154. Okay. 5 2 5 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Then 3 into 7. Okay. Here 7 into 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now sorry, I have a mistake in here. Five into 3 into 7 is the then 154. 7 into 2 2, then 7 into 2 11. Now this is the factor of. Okay. Now 7 is common, not other factors are common in this. So SCF is 7. What do you think? I think this method is simply hard, not bit, and this method is so simple. Then this vertical method is hard than the vertical method is simple than the horizontal method. This horizontal method is simply hard than vertical. Okay. Take question number fifth. Fifth is fourth. Okay. 16 and 27. Okay. 16 and 27. Actually this is a 6th number question and this is 4th number question. 4th number is 16 27. Both are cannot be divided by the same number, So there is no common factor, no common factor, no common factors. So 1 is our SCF. SCF is 1. Whenever the numbers nothing have any common factors, those numbers have 1 as a SCF. Okay, 1 is a common factor between that numbers. Okay, so these are 16 and 27 is have SCF is 1. Okay, take the fifth number question. Let's erase this. Fifth number is 18, 32, 48. Okay, 18, 32, 48. Let's do with the vertical. 18, 32, 48. All are even numbers, so start with 2. 2 9s 18, 2 1s 2, 2 6 12, 2 2s 2 4s. Okay, and 3 3 3s no, not 3. Answer is 2, because no other number can divide these all three numbers. Same number cannot divide these all three numbers. So SCF is 2. Okay, now 6 already have solved. So take the 7, 42, 45, 48, 42, 45 and 48. Let's do it. 42, 45 and 48. Okay, 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18. Now, this 3 number 14, 15 and 16 cannot be divided by same number. So, SCF is 3. Okay, will you get it? So simple now. Now, question number 7, 8. Question number 8. 57, 75, 57, 75, 102, 102, 57, 75, 102. 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. Now these 19, 25 and 34 cannot be divided by any same number, any other same number. Okay, so answer SCF is 3. Okay, SCF is 3. Now 9 number 56 and 57 both have no common factors without 1. So 1 is SCF is 1. SCF is 1. 1 is the SCF 1. SCF is 1. Now 10 number. 10 number. First I want to write this. 10 number. Big question 777, 315 and 588. Let's do it with the vertical method. This type of big question simply can be divided by vertical method. Okay. Okay. 777, 7, 4 the, okay. 7. 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7. 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. Okay. 7 8s are 56 and 7 4s are 28. Now these 111 can be divided by 3. I think not can be divided. I think nothing, no other number is divided, but 3 can be divided. Okay, 3 threes are 9, and 3 sevens are 21. Okay, 2 is remainder, so 21 is 3 sevens are 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6, and 3 eights are 28. Now 37 is the prime number, so this number cannot be divided in same number again. So SCF is 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, 21 is the SCF. Now go to the question number 2, which have three questions. Okay, question number 2. Find out the SCF with division method. Division method. Okay, first it 275, and simplest form, and write down the simplest form also. Okay, 275 5 upon 5 7 5 to 5 5 to 5. Okay, 5 to 5 is the bigger, so put 5 to 5 here, and 275 division in divisor. 275 to the 550, that is bigger number, so put 1, divide with 1, 275, 5 5 is 0, 12 5 12 minus 7 is 5 again, and 4 minus 2 250. Now divide to divisor 275 also with 1. Okay, 250, here is 25. Now divide 250. Okay, 250 can be divided by 4 8 9. Okay, 9 za 259 za, no, 250 10 za, sorry, 250 10 za 250 200 25 10 za 250 25 10 za 250, so 0 0 0, and answer SCF is 25. Now find the simplest form of the divisor, equal to 255 into 225 equal to, sorry, divide by both are divide by 25 by 25. Okay, 25 275. So here is the 11, and 5 to 5 है ना, 2 to the 50, and 2 to the 50, and 2 ones are 2, 11 ones are 21, 11 ones are 21, 11 ones are 21, 11 ones are 21. Let's go do another example. Fast. We need to do fast. Second one, 75 upon 76, sorry, 76 upon 133. Let's do smaller is divisor, so 33, 71 za 76, 13 out of 30, 13 minus 6 is 7, 12 minus 5 7 is 5. Okay, now divide the 76, 1 za 57, 16 minus 7 is 9, and 6 minus 19, divide the 57, and here on 3 za. Okay, 57. So SCF is 19. Now divide 67 19 and 1 3 3 19 is 4 upon 7. Okay, 4 upon 7 is the simplest form. Simplest form. This is called simplest form. Okay, simplest form. Let's go to the another last one. Question number 3. Last question of this practice set. Sub question 3. 161 and 69. Okay, 161, 69, 69 2s are 138, 138. Okay, 138 2s are okay. 11 3 5 2, then put here 69. Okay, 3s are 69. Okay, 0 0. So SCF is 23 is the SCF. Okay, SCF is 23. So simplest form, 161 divided by 23, 69 divided by 23 is 3 and 7. Okay, 7 upon 3, 7 upon 3. Let's go on the lecture for practice set number 13.